Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technology Build. So today is the second episode of the series Editing with DK. So today I'll be showing you how to create the color pop-up effect in Snapseed. So with that being said, do like this video, do comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing content like this. So now let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open Snapseed, import the image which you have to edit. Over here I am selecting this mango image where the main object is a mango, the piece of mango, and where I want the piece of mango to be colored and the background to be in black and white. So for this, first the basic editing, which is tune image. So over here I will tune my image. So after tuning your image, over here I need to increase a little sharpness in the image and decrease the structure. uh, After that, after editing the basic things in the picture, the main step you have to do is go into the brush tool, select saturation, and now take the level to -10, enable the eye option and color the background. And now to remove this red from the main object, take the level to erase, and now erase the red paint from there. The more properly you do, the more effect it gives to your pic. So as you can see, the background is now turned into black and white. So now let's take the saturation to 5 and color the main object just a little bit to give more effect, touch up effect. So as you can see, we have finally created the pop-up color pop-up effect. I hope you have liked this effect. So thanks for watching this video. Do show your love in the comment section below, and to stay tuned with this series, subscribe my channel and do follow me on Instagram. The username is @Dinesh_Kriplani, and do tag me in your picture if you have used my style of editing. So this was all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.